Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down essentials, domain, SSL, and making sure your site is indexable, because search engines must see you. Once done, compile a focused keyword list of 5 to 10 primary terms that match your pages. Next, connect Squarespace to Google Search Console and submit the sitemap. This tells Google to crawl. Make sure to set clean URLs and remove placeholder content now, so the first crawls index meaningful pages and not drafts. Now you optimize each page. Write concise title tags and meta descriptions using your target keyword early, and keep URLs short. Use one H1 per page and H2s to break sections. This signals topic hierarchy. Add at least 300 words of unique, useful content so pages rank for long-tail queries. Compress images for speed, write descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO, and implement structured data for products or articles. Finally, focus on technical polish. Check core web vitals and mobile friendliness and fix crawl errors reported in Search Console. Once stable, create a linking plan, internal links to spread authority and outreach for quality backlinks, and set a content update schedule to keep pages fresh. If something breaks, reindex affected pages, clear Squarespace caches, and inspect robots. TXT and noindex tags. This usually resolves visibility problems. If issues persist, roll back recent changes and test incrementally to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.